So on this channel, we like a good quick release from Ulanzi. They have these ones, they have these ones, and now they have these ones. Just when you thought they couldn't get any more efficient, they go and do something like this. Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I like to review cool products that come my way, and Ulanzi is no stranger to this channel. They're probably like the first ones to believe in me. But also, if you like this kind of stuff and you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this review fun or entertaining or helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That would be helpful to me. If you are interested in any of these products, make sure you check down in the description. I'll have links to all of them. It's really cool. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So this is their Hummingbird quick release system, and you can pick and choose. So the quick release kit starts basically with this one right here. You put this on your tripod or any kind of mount that you want, and then you put this end onto a camera or GoPro or phone, and then it's as easy as, how cool is that? That's a great logo right there. It's quality made, it feels very durable, very strong. And if you're a GoPro user, action camera user, and I know that a lot of you are, well then you probably have like a bunch of mounts lying around. Well, look at this. They actually added this to it at the bottom where you can turn this into a GoPro mount. That way you can put this on a bunch of different GoPro accessories as well. And they actually have a quick release plate designed just for those action camera GoPro mounts. But let's keep going. You gotta love a good ball head, and Ulanzi knows how to make them, and make them very strong. You can put this ball head on a tripod or selfie stick, and you can kind of angle the shots the way you want to. And they also added a little cold shoe mount on the side, so now you can add a different microphone or light. And I love how it twists around, so if you need to angle it certain ways, so if you do have a microphone on and you want to face it the other way, you can easily just do it like that. I think this is probably the smartest little add-on to a ball head I've ever seen. The next one on this list was a little bit confusing to me at first, but it's a quick disassemble monitor mount. And this is perfect for anyone that has that external monitor for their camera. So you can attach this little mechanism to your camera or the accessory to your camera, and then this thing can just easily pop on there, and you can slide it whichever way you want, tighten it up. But also with this mount, you can actually spin it around, and you can also angle it. Let's say if you're out on a shoot and there's other people that want to be monitoring it, you can angle it whichever way they're gonna need to see it as well. But also remember, it's a quick release, so you can actually even toss on a GoPro if you want a different angle for your GoPro, or you want to capture a wider field of view while you're shooting something else. It's perfect for that. It's very strong, very stable. Now, if you have a camera that's heavier than your GoPro or your phone, they give you this extendable plate, which is really nice. Pop it on the bottom of your camera, and that way when it sits on, it gives it a lot more stability right there. And funny thing is, at first I was like, what is this thing? I couldn't figure out what this was. It was held in place by a magnet, but it's actually a tool to tighten and loosen. That's just one of the things that I love about Ulanzi, is it feels like they think about everything when they design their products. And last but not least, let's look at their tripod with their Hummingbird pickup system on it. It's basically their standard Ulanzi tripod that goes up about just under 11 inches, but it also has a ball head, which has the quick release system right there on the top. So, and there we go. That's the Hummingbird quick release system right there. So the other quick release systems from Ulanzi are great, but they're more designed for those specific things. Whereas this Hummingbird system is perfect if you have multiple cameras and accessories. So that way you can go from your GoPro to your phone, to your bigger camera, to your little camera. It all kind of works together. Now, if you're like, okay, that's a lot of information. Where do I start? What's the first thing I should get? I definitely recommend the ball head. I kind of recommend a lot of it. I think all of it's pretty good. Why don't you just go to their website down in the description? Plus, if you do go there now, you can get involved in their summer sales. Whenever you're watching this, they probably have some kind of sale going on. So the price is always gonna be perfect for you. And Ulanzi, thank you so much for sending this and being such great supporters to this channel. It's always amazing what you're innovating over there, and I love it. Make sure you check out my memberships, because I do exclusive live streams and content and giveaways there. Great community. We're having a lot of fun. And also, I don't want to forget, if you're looking for a new podcast, check out my podcast. It's called Tech It's Hard. Click right there, subscribe, listen every week. It's pretty fun. A couple guys talking about new tech that's coming out, and maybe even reminiscing about old tech, but also what it's like to be YouTubers and trying to find your way in this crazy world of YouTube content creation. All right, I have a lot to get to. This is going to be a crazy month, and looking forward to it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.